Well, you may have seen part one yesterday. The Philadelphia Daily News announcing its 2014 Sexy Singles. And today is the Sexy Singles Swimsuit Edition. Some of Philly's hottest single men and women.
Joining us now, Daily News columnist Janice Armstrong, as well as two of the Sexy Singles, Karen Kunkel and rapper Philly's own Schoolie D. Hey, gang. Nice to see you. Welcome.
Hey.
Welcome. Congratulations.
Here.
Congratulations. All right, Janice, how difficult is it to choose the Sexy Singles? What's the criteria?
I have such a tough job, Yuki.
Come on.
No, it's really fun. And there are really only two criteria. You've got to be single and you've got to be sexy.
All right, so you have, two of your top ones right here.
Yes.
Okay, so what set them apart from everybody else?
This is Schoolie D, man. Schoolie D, the original gangster rapper. He's 50-something now, and we think he's so cute and still very hot and still smoking. And he's single, and he's looking to mingle. Wow. So, of course, women are always talking about they can't find good men.
Yeah.
Got one right here. Got his email address in the Daily News. And this is Karen Kunkel, an artist, gorgeous, beautiful woman. We had her in a swimsuit. She looked like a mermaid. And there's a lot more to her. She also has a project where she's trying to revamp the Divine Lorraine Hotel into an arts hub.
Oh, really?
Oh, no kidding.
Very nice. Very nice. So, did the two of you think you're sexy? Come on, tell me what you think.
We wake up every day and we know.
And you know. Uh-oh.
They know they're sexy. Schoolie knows.
Schoolie knows.
He's known longer than me, though.
Oh, really? What's your ideal date in Philadelphia? Where would you go? When? Why? Come on, tell me.
My sexy date, I don't know if you said this is G-rated.
Yes.
So
Yes,
I can't really.
Tell them about the cake.
Oh, yeah.
We talk about cake.
Oh.
Excuse me. Even cake is X-rated with me. But you know what? There's some good places to go. Breakfast picnics at Gorgas Park with a school teacher. That's nice.
Okay.
And people forget. It's like if you want to give it a real mood, you go take her on a date to a cemetery at night.
Yeah, I'm not
like a picnic.
I don't know, Karen.
Like Laurel Hill or like East Falls.
Yeah, one of them. And she'd be grabbing you like, I'm so scared.
Look at you.
Oh, that's what this is the scared thing.
Schoolie's a man with the plan.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then when the police show up, you can toss her over your shoulder and run with her.
Please, no, that's a Schoolie.
So, Karen, what makes it so much fun for you to be in this limelight?
It's just such a great opportunity. One of Janice's friends nominated me, and I'm an adventurous type. I'm an artist. I'm open-minded, so I decided to do it just to see kind of what's out there. And I usually don't have a lot of time for dating because I'm so busy running my business and trying to start a museum of contemporary art. So it's nice to meet people like Schoolie D and some of the other people that have been part of the photo shoot. That's been great.
What do you think is your #1 attribute for somebody who you could fall in love with?
Oh, that's a great question.
And you too, Schoolie, after Karen.
For me, it's probably intelligence. I grew up in a family that was always making me think. Anytime I wanted to do anything, my dad made me basically frame an argument for it. So I have a hard time having, just small talk with people sometimes. I love really picking people's brains.
All right, and Schoolie?
I'm going interesting.
Interesting.
You've got to be interesting.
So
You have to wake up every day and think like, what am I going to do today?
We need stimulation.
We're artists, so I do.
You guys could.
Yeah, right.
I don't have a physical type.
Sure.
Right. Got to come from the soul, too.
You got to come from the soul, but I do have a physical type. I'm a very complicated man.
Okay, so that makes it
Beauty comes from the inside, but outside is nice too, right? Okay.
James Brown said, stand up.
Thank you
Stand
so
up.
much.
That's right.
We wish you well with your search.
Yeah, good luck.
So if you want to check out all of the Sexy Singles, you can grab today's Daily News. You can go to cbsphilly.com and click on to Talk Philly. Janice Armstrong, always a pleasure to have you in the house. We're coming right back.